Hello, you guys. Okay, today's journal, we're going to start with the date at the bottom. Remember to use a pencil if you have one. It is April 27th, so we start with that capital A, P, R, I, L. It's the 27th, so we do 27, comma, 2020. Two things before we start. First thing is, if I'm ever going too quickly for you or you miss something, you can always just pause the video and go back or pause it until you get caught up, which is a nice thing about doing these videos this way, okay? The second thing I wanted to say is that last week I made a big goof and I missed a word in one of our journals. So just a reminder that not even Miss Lepke is perfect. She even makes mistakes. So it's all good, but I'm sorry about that. We missed the word sides on use both sides of the paper. And I forgot the word sides, so it was kind of silly. But anyway, today's journal, we're going to do ones that go along with our seeds and plants. So we're going to say we're going to say seeds need water, warmth, and light. And that was a sentence from our book that I read you today. So here we go. We're going to start at the start and we're going to write the word seeds. So sa, which is going to be a capital S. Sa, E, which is two E's. Saeed. D. You can say the letters along with me while you're watching this. Seed. Actually, we're saying more than one, so we know that we need to add an S to the end. Okay? Seeds need, so new word, space. Na is N. Na, E. We have that double E again, just like in our first one. Na, E, D. Actually has a D just like the last one too. Seeds need space, new word. We should be able to fit it. Water is going to be our first one, so W. It sounds like an O, but it's actually an A. T. Two letters that say are E-R. Okay, and we're listing a few things, so we need what's called a comma. So seeds need water, comma, warmth. So we're going to write the word warmth. W. Or. It sounds like it should be that O-R sound, but it's actually an A-R, which is so silly. But that's the thing about our English language, is it does silly things like that. Or M. Warmth. Two letters that say th are T-H. We have to name another thing, so we do a comma, and we're going to write the word and, so we leave a little space, and we're going to write and. You should be able to tell me how to spell and. Say it with me. A-N-D spells and. That's one of our sight words that we go over lots. Okay, so seeds need water, warmth, and light. So I kind of took off without you guys there. Sorry about that. And then there's this silly two letters, G-H, T. And we put a period at the end. So now, there's your journal. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a picture of you planting a seed. And you could maybe draw a picture of you watering your seed with some sun that's going to get light and warmth from the sun. But also, plants can get warmth from just being inside a house. Sometimes we have plants that live in the house and can live all through the winter. But if a plant was outside, it could not live through the winter because it would be way too cold for it. So, seeds can also grow in the house with warmth and just the light that we get through the windows and then watering it. Okay? So good luck with your journal today. Draw me a nice, beautiful picture using all that space that you have. And I will see you tomorrow. Toodaloo!